Hyperbaric Oxygen Chamber Accessories Connection and Use Guide. This is the gas cooling device, the hose machine. Please cut off the cable ties before using the hose machine, the fixed bracket of chamber and the main soft chamber. This is the accessory tube to connect the hose machine. 3 different specifications of the connection tube. If you do not use the cooling device, you can directly connect the hose machine and the main soft chamber for using. There are 2 ends here. The short end of the blue part is connected to the hose machine. The long end is connected to the main soft chamber. And the tubes are inserted successively according to the diameter of the tubes. Use the other end of the large diameter tube to connect the fixed bracket. It needs to be filled with air first. Turn on the hose machine and set the cabin mode on the control panel. Then run the machine and wait for inflation. After the fixed bracket is inflated, when it feels hot, which proves that it is full of air, it is necessary to turn off the hose machine quickly. Remove the tube and tighten the seal plug. The 3 tubes are successively connected to the 3 air inlets of the main soft chamber. The large tube is an air tube, the medium one is an oxygen tube, and the small one is a gas detection tube. When the room temperature is not high, there is no need to connect the cooling device and you can directly use the hyperbaric oxygen chamber. When the connection is complete, pull gently outward to ensure the tubes do not fall off. Connection of the cooling device. If the cooling device needs to be connected, the hose machine and soft chamber tube connections need to be adjusted. You need to use the hex tool to unscrew the metal block plug at the top of the soft chamber, replace it with an air inlet plug and tighten it. To connect the cooling device, you need to use a T-tube in the accessory. Find the end of the tube marked air in and connect it to the air in port of the cooling device. The other end is connected to the soft chamber air inlet plug. Hold the blue gasket against the oxygen port and then pull out the tube and connect it to the other end of the T. Take out the tube. One end is connected to the air outlet of the cooling device and the other end is connected to the oxygen inlet plug of the soft chamber. Find the drain port of the cooling device. Use another tube to connect one end of the drain port and place other end into the wastewater collection container. Chamber sealed and pressurized. Before using the machine, please tighten the internal zipper. The user can pull zipper to the end from inside. Also smooth the sponge in the middle, and then pull the external zipper to the end. Inside and outside zippers both need to be tightened to prevent air leakage. Turn on hose machine and cooling device. On the hose control panel, you can set different treatment time. Mode setting, you can set the external oxygen snorting mode, and use the corresponding accessories to connect the oxygen output on the top of main hose. Chamber treatment needs to set the cabin mode, and then set the cabin air pressure, which can be set from 1.0 to 1.5 pressure value. After setting all parameters, press the on/off key, and the soft chamber starts to inflate and pressurize. When the chamber reaches the preset pressure value, the host machine will automatically switch the air transfer mode and no longer fill the chamber with air. But it will continue to fill oxygen, and the oxygen levels will continue to increase. Main soft chamber depressurization. When the preset treatment time is over, the host machine will automatically stop, or the operator can press the on/off key to shut down the host machine. It is forbidden to open the zipper of the soft chamber directly after the machine stop, because the air pressure is very high inside. The manual pressure relief valve needs to be slowly unscrewed counterclockwise first. The chamber user can also unscrew the manual pressure relief valve clockwise from the inside. After the chamber pressure drops and becomes soft, this zipper can be unzipped to let the inside users come out.